Hey guys, it's currently December 23rd around 1:25 p.m. PST, and today is the long-awaited day that Corey and we're gonna build our PCs, and this is the vlog for that. Anyways, but yeah, and then I'm gonna bring the camera closer to see our parts, so I would do that now. Hey, oh, wiggle, that's okay. I'm just gonna take that whole thing off, right? Yeah. Hell yeah. And then, so these are my parts. I'm gonna zoom out a little bit. So this right here is Kingston Fury Beast 52 megahertz. Yeah, and I guess you can see. You can't really see it. The light is really bad, but that's okay. Yeah, so that's what that is. I have a Ryzen the 7600X. God, this is hard. It's fine. So that's the low range of the high tier CPU, and then I have two SSDs, 2 terabyte. Unfortunately for me, my heatsinks didn't come, but that's okay. We can just put the one in for the OS, and I have an RTX 7900 XT. Couldn't get the XTX because it was hard on launch day. And then we have the ASRock B650E motherboard with Wi-Fi enabled. It has an antenna that goes on it, and then we all that to power with the EVGA Supernova 8050 watt power supply, which is nice. And then it's all gonna fit inside this Ridge, and then you guys get to see that when we open these boxes. And if Corey wants to go through his parts,
yeah, I can go through my parts.
All right, hell yeah.
All right, today I will be building in a Torrent Nano case, and I will be using this Radeon RX 7900 XT with an Asus ROG Strix motherboard, and I will also be using a SK Hynix M.2 SSD. For the cooler, I will be using this AK620 to cool down this going to be very hot Ryzen 7 7700X, and powered by EVGA Supernova 850 G7 power supply. And we'll be using the Vengeance Corsair RAM.
Nice.
Yeah, I'm
Right.
very excited.
I forgot to mention my cooler. It's it's a very special, the Ghost edition of the NHL 12 by Natura, which is the one of the very few that can fit inside my cases. My case is very small. You guys will be able to see that here in a short time after we unbox everything and start the build. So I think we're gonna start the build around this time. Putting this thing out here sucks. Tripod, why are you so bad?
You didn't see it because it was a ghost still.
Yeah, that's right. Nailed it. Absolutely. How does this get on here, brother?
I think I might open up the case first.
Okay. Hell yeah.
Very excited for the case.
Yeah, alright.
Yeah.
You gonna do the case first? Alright, you can do the case first. I guess I should open the case too. Generally speaking, you wanna prep the motherboard first, but it's whatever. We all build our own. Oh!
Oh no!
It's okay, it's okay. Nothing fell.
Yeah, I just want to open up the case and take a look.
Yeah, it's okay. Feel free to take the camera off if you need to have a closer view or whatever.
Oh, okay.
You do you. If not,
Yeah.
it's all good. Ooh, fractals.
Yeah, 2 fractals.
That's right. Well, we can call it the twin build case.
Almost the same
Yeah,
price, right?
Accessory box. Nice.
Yeah, accessory box.
I think our cases also come with some cable zip ties, but we'll see.
Does it?
Hey, yeah, that's what I hear. But I don't know.
Yeah. Tank the box with your feet. Pull out.
Yeah, nice. Good method.
It's interesting, the little on the box.
Yeah, their logo.
Yeah.
Branding, baby.
Yeah. I didn't get that with the first case.
Oh. User's guide. You already need that, guys.
No?
Figure out. Okay. I mean, I just read the manual.
That's how men do it, right?
Yeah. Whatever that means.
Oh, it looks really good though.
Yeah? Nice. I want to see the actual size comparison of mine. Let's see how, like, I think mine's like smaller, but we'll see.
Oh, look at that.
Oh, dude, you're gonna do the peel here. Let me.
Oh, I'm not peeling yet.
Oh, you're not peeling? Okay.
No, not yet.
Alright, fair. Yeah, that's pretty small. Okay. Would you like?
Oh, yeah.
Would you hand me the knife?
Oh, you use knife to do hinges.
Oh. Oh, you use keys?
I just used
that's fair. That's fair.
It was closer.
Alright, makes sense.
I didn't want to walk.
Yeah, it's alright. Alright, well, I'll put the knife in the middle of the table from now on. Anyway, so this is me opening the fractal ridge,
But yeah, we can do that.
which is supposed to be 10 liters. I don't know what that means. I mean, I know what that means, but I can't picture it in my head how small it is.
Picture 5 2-liter bottles. What they go with them?
We got silica. Good. We have this accessory box, I believe. Yes, it is.
Mhm.
The very accessory box. Hey, I have more accessories than you. Is that yeah, I guess it comes with a writing table, so.
No.
Oh my god. I didn't think this would be. Maybe it's just the box here.
Do I need to hold the box for you?
No, that's all. Yeah. It's kind of getting there. Ooh. Oh, that is definitely tiny. There's another some. Why is there so many silica bags? What the frick? Fractal? Okay, that's all good.
Yeah, I didn't get any.
You
You had both of them.
Yeah,
I got none.
Yeah, they stole it. Okay, here's that. Also, hashtag not sponsored, so just make sure YouTube knows. That over there. Pull this baby out. Ooh. Oh my god, it's so tiny. Okay, yeah, it's not as heavy as I thought it would be, because
No.
it was just the box.
Yeah.
It's gonna be a fingerprint magnet for sure, but this is my nose. Comparatively.
Oh no,
to
that's
his-
the ridge.
Oh, it's a ridge right there.
Yeah.
It's the ridge. Yeah, this is my ridge case. Comparatively to his, I think mine's definitely smaller. A little bit taller, but it's not by much.
Is it smaller?
Yeah.
Yeah, it looks smaller.
It's like literally 1/3 the size of yours.
I know.
Yeah. So yeah, I think it's gonna be interesting, and that's the preheated oven. We're gonna have some chicken nuggies and hot sauce,
Yeah.
but I have to figure out how to undo this whole case. So
Yeah.
unpack these. Where's the knife?
You have no peels on you.
I don't.
That's a sad day.
Yeah, I have peels on other things. How about that?
Yeah. I know, that's a nice place.
It is. We get some fresh chicken nuggies. So I'm just gonna dump whatever's on here, and then we'll
Yeah,
keep
that's
whatever.
fine.
Okay, alright. It's like half a bag.
I did not realize that it was going to be glass on both sides.
Oh,
I did not.
surprise!
Surprise, yeah.
Is that a good thing, bad thing you feel?
It's like darker.
Ah.
Too. It's like a
Tainted?
yeah, it's very dark compared to
The other case?
yeah the other
Yeah.
no this side. One side is darker. The back side
Yeah.
where all the cabling and stuff will be.
Mhm.
That's really dark, but you can still kind of see.
Ah,
This is a lot less of a tense.
okay. I think I think that's good in sense because you don't really want to see your wires.
Yeah, no. Though I will do a bang up job on wiring this thing, so you might want to see it.
Okay, that's fair. We'll see though.
Foreshadowing.
Yeah. Like, I look forward to it, dude. Alright, so now I have to bust out the guide. Whenever I said don't read the manual, I lied.
Yeah, you read it. One thing I was mainly looking forward to is my USB-C.
See?
Yeah.
It has one?
Yeah, it has one.
good. Do you want me to